Hi there, this is Julia. I am super excited again to share with you another great workshop happening at Crooked Tree Arts Center. My favorite art center um, to be a part of, actually. It's absolutely wonderful. It's in Petoskey, Michigan. If you are in Petoskey, live in Petoskey, are going to visit Petoskey, make sure you check out this art center. It not only encompasses visual arts, but it also encompasses the art of music and dance. Um, it's just an incredible center promoting, encouraging the arts in northern Michigan. So I highly recommend you guys go give it a visit. Their galleries are incredibly beautiful. They have amazing work. Um, Several pieces of mine also. Um, but I wanted to tell you about this workshop that's coming up Thursday, August 3rd and Friday, August 4th. It's called The Captured Moment. And it's basically um, capturing a favorite moment of yours in watercolor. And what you would use is, let's say, a photograph. Like, let's say you captured your granddaughter dancing ballet, okay? Or maybe you captured a moment of your grandson or child on the beach. I have a lot of these. And there's another one. Obviously, this is a lot bigger, but another captured moment of a child playing on the beach. Obviously, it does not have to be beach photos. It could be your husband sitting in his favorite chair reading his favorite book, or a chef at work in the kitchen. It does not have to be a portrait, like a full face portrait either. It can be a side view, and it can be something like this as well. It can be the back of somebody doing something, um, somebody that you know and love, or even someone that you don't know, because I have, captured moments of children at play on the beach, and I personally don't know them, but get permission from their parents to take their photographs, and then I capture these wonderful moments of them at play, and then I get to paint them. So this class is pretty much open for most levels. I would say I wouldn't recommend it for a beginner, not an absolute beginner, but anything up to like intermediate and advanced, I welcome that. If you are a beginner and you have some knowledge of drawing skills, that is the most important, I think, for this class. Don't be intimidated by, like I said, by painting a face and having to do that exact likeness of that person. I apologize. I have new, what do you call those, Invisalign kind of braces, and it has definitely changed the way I talk. And even with them out of my mouth, it's changed how I use my mouth and my tongue. But anyway, so it's August 3rd and 4th. It is a 2-day workshop. It goes from 9:30 to 4:30, and there is a break for lunch, and there's several other breaks if you need to take them. It's going to be awesome. I supply a list of materials that you'll need, but I'm going to go over, your overall composition. We're going to go over all kinds of different paint combinations to create beautiful, luscious skin tones, and just designing your photograph to really highlight that wonderful moment that you've captured on film. So anyway, I hope that you join me. It's a wonderful class. I've taught it before, and I don't know if you're familiar with my work on my website, but pretty much, actually, every single figurative piece that I have done is basically a captured moment. So I don't do the traditional portraits. So my favorite way to paint people is capturing them doing what they love to do, or maybe at work or play or whatever. But that's what I love to do. So those are captured moments. I hope I see you there. Registration is open still. There's still some spots left, so I'm really looking forward to seeing you. So that's again at Crooked Tree Art Center in Petoskey. And it's August 3rd and 4th, 9:30 to 4:30. And it's going to be a really good class. I think you're going to enjoy it. And I think it's going to be wonderful for you to paint that special moment that you captured, and then you memorialize it forever for someone or for yourself. So sign up. I know you're going to enjoy it. So I'm looking forward to seeing you there. So you guys have a great night, and I'll talk to you soon. Okie doke. Thanks.